So in this video, you're going to learn how to create an e-commerce website using WordPress. So let's begin. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Yavar. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews, so please consider subscribing. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So let's begin, guys. So guys, first thing is first, we need web hosting. So for me, I'm using Bluehost. This is one of the best web hosting. The reason for that is it has free domain. It gives you a free domain for the first year, free SSL and one-click WordPress installation. And just for you guys, I have a 70% discount, guys. So the link is down below in the description. So all you have to do is get started. Once you get started, I would recommend choosing this one, the Choice Plus. Once you're in Choice Plus, you can add your domain name over here. I've already done it, yavarkhan.com. So add your domain name over here, click next. And then the next thing would be just fill up your details, and I would select 12 months and then just submit. Once you're done over there, just click on Bluehost, login. And once you're in your dashboard, you can click on my sites, create a site. Good, right, fit fashion world. Okay, fashion, and I'm just go click next. Click next, and you can just write my fashion. I'm just creating a demo site and just click next, guys. And this is it, guys. This is how you create your WordPress website. So congratulations, guys, you have installed WordPress. So it's very easy. Then you just have to log into WordPress. So once you're in your dashboard, all you have to do is first thing is come on settings, click on permalinks, click post name. This is really important, and then save changes. The reason we are doing this is we want our pages and posts to show the name of the post and the page. Okay, so we have already done this thing. Now the second step is, if you could see the coming soon page, click over here, because usually what Bluehost does is whenever you create a new website, it shows the coming soon page. So it doesn't let you see your website until and unless you have launched it. So we are just going to launch it anyway because it's a demo website. So now this is done. If we look at our website right now, this looks very simple. So we are going to install a theme. So currently we are using a free theme called Astra. So all you have to do is add new, click on Astra. So all you have to do is just click Astra over here and then just install this theme. It's a free theme right now. So currently we are using a free theme. The reason for that is, guys, it's my rule of business. Until and unless you don't earn money from that business, you don't have to invest in that business. So in the beginning, a little investment is good, but then you don't have to spend a lot. So I always make sure first use free. If you start earning money, and then you could invest in it, then you can just click activate. Once you activate it, if you refresh the website again, so as you could see, voila, congratulations, guys, you have installed a theme. Now the next thing what we could do is, on the left hand side, if you could see appearance, on appearance, then click on Astra options. Once you're on your Astra options, all you have to do is, if you could see the install importer plugin, you can just click over here and install the plugins. So once that's installed, then we are going to choose Elementor. Elementor is basically a free drag and drop builder. So it's very easy to design your website. We're going to just do this and click next. Once that's done, so now what we'll do is we can come on e-commerce. And if you could see, agency ones are paid themes. So again, as I told you right now, we're just going to choose some free themes. So we are just going to use some free themes. So basically what am I going to do is, I'm going to choose this one. And then what I'll do is import site. So depending on your internet speed, it's going to take 2 to 10 minutes. But usually it takes me at least 1 minute to install. So I'm just going to pause the video and come back soon. So guys, it's done. So it almost took me 2 minutes. This time it took me a lot. So now I can just go and visit the site. And as you could see, it looks really good. Everything is there. I could sell products. If I just go on all products, I could see my shop. It's really easy. If I click on home, everything's there. Now I'm going to tell you how you could edit your website. It's really easy, guys. Just click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so again, as I told you, Elementor is a free drag and drop builder. All you have to do is join the fit tea movement. Okay, you can type that. If you want to change something, the best tea to get slim. Okay, and you can just update it, and this is how your website will look. So it's very easy, and all you have to do is, I'll show you one more thing called Unsplash. Okay, so basically this is a website where you can get free photos. So it's really amazing. So what I could do is just download this one or any of these things. It's really good. Just download this one. Once it's downloaded, all I have to do is go back to Elementor again. Just click over here, choose image. Okay, I'm gonna push this one, and then I could upload my tea. So I've uploaded the image. I can just insert the image, and looks really good. And then I can come on style, I can come on advanced. I can just say, just want to make this small, just update. Let's go back. So there's a lot of space in over here, so what we could do is we can just click padding, and this we can remove, make it more small. Just click over here. Not gonna add anything, just update it. So just made some changes over here. You can just do this thing, align left, and I think so the website looks really good. That this is the organic tea. We can change the images, we can change everything over here. So make it much more bigger. We can just make everything 0, even the padding 0, and then just click on the image style. We can make the image with a little bit bigger. Okay, so this looks really good. So join the fit tea movement. Okay, so this is done. So now you can just update it, and if you could just view the page, it's just saving right now. And if you could just view the page, looks really good. So you could, once you click on the product, so you could add it to cart, and there's some related products. Now I'm going to show you how you could change the logo, and also I'm going to give you a trick on how you can earn more money. So once you're over here, once you're on your home page, all you have to do is just click on customize. Once you're in your customize, just click on global, or just click on header, and then you can click on site identity, and you can change your logo over here. So maybe I've created a video on how you could create a logo just under 1 minute. Okay, so it's over here, how to make a logo for free, or awesome free logo in 1 minute. So I've already done that thing. So anyways, I'm just gonna upload a logo. It's gonna upload my logo right now. So you could create your logo in just 1 minute. Once this is done, guys, you can just publish it. Now I'm gonna show you how you could add your products. So what you could do is, so now this is done, you can just cancel it. Now this is how your website looks. All products, you can about, and guys, editing the page is really easy. I'm just going to show you how you could edit the page as well. Just click with Elementor, and then you can just about fit tea, and just save it. And this is how you could save it. You could add pictures. It's really easy. It's just like in drag and drop. So now this is done, you can just click back on update, and once this is done, you can just say view page, and then this is how your web page looks really amazing. Now I'm going to show you how you could add products in it. Go back to dashboard, and then now you can click on products, you can click on add new. Now I'm gonna show you a secret trick. Okay, so you need to go on AliExpress. Okay, if you want to start earning money, this is the best way you can start earning money. I'll just go to AliExpress, click over here, just type G, so now as you could see, okay, I can type 50. Okay, so basically, see, you could see, you know, tea talks 14-day, and it's from $1 to $3, and people, you can sell it for, you know, $20, $30, and it's really easy. All you have to do is just save the image. So I'm just gonna go over here, find a really good image, just save it, just save on my downloads folder, just save it, come back to add new photo. All you have to do is just go over here, 100% pure, just copy the paste the name. You can then go back over here, copy the description over here, okay, and then all the details you can just paste it over here. This is the short description. So in fact, you need to paste everything here. The short description should be here. Add a product image, upload the photo over here for the tea, and then set product image, set your price. I'm gonna be regular price is $60, but $20. So again, you need to show them that you're giving discount, so it creates scarcity, like, you know, it's on discount and the people will buy it. And then create a new category called tea, add new category, so this will show in the tea section, and then publish. So guys, the reason, as you could see, I created a website for fashion world, but then I created tea. The reason for that is, guys, today in nowadays world, everyone's selling clothes. Okay, each and every person is selling clothes, and it's very difficult for someone to buy clothes, and it's much more complicated because the sizing, the colors, and everything. But tea is just one product. Everyone drinks tea and everyone wants to lose fat. Okay, so selling tea is really good, and there's a lot of margin. So as you could see, you could buy the tea for $1 and sell it for what, $20. And as you could see, sale looks really good. 100% pure detox tea. As you could see, anyone would buy it, extreme detox. And then what you could do is you could share it on your Facebook page, and, you know, share it on your group, and then you can start earning money. So now a quick question, how do I change this to dollars? So it's very easy, guys. All you have to do is come on WooCommerce, okay, click on settings. Once you're in your settings, and all you have to do is click on products. So all you have to do is, again, click on general, not on products, click on general, choose your pound. So I'm going to type United States. Usually I would do in dollars, but you can choose your own country currency. And payments, the best thing is, guys, for me, it's PayPal. You can set your PayPal. It's very easy to set up, and then you can start selling. Just enter your email ID and everything, and you could start selling. You just have to add your token from your PayPal account. It's really easy to set up, and that's it, guys. And then you can just add to cart, and then it's going to turn to dollars. Then I can just view my cart, and then, you know, proceed to checkout. If you want to apply some coupon, you can give them, and then you could see PayPal is over here. Proceed to PayPal, and that's it, guys. This is how you create a WordPress website, e-commerce website. And also, as a bonus, I told you in the beginning, so I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. If you know how to create a WordPress website, it's fine. I tell you how you could make passive money out of those websites. And also, if you like the video, please consider subscribing, and I would see you in the next video.